how to turn on or off incognito mode on YouTube. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can turn on or off incognito mode on YouTube. So firstly, check for updates that may be available for YouTube. Open App Store or Google Play Store and search for YouTube. If you see an update option available, then click on it to update your app. If not, go back to your home page and open the YouTube app. From your home page, navigate to the YouTube app and open it. On YouTube, make sure you are signed in to your account. From the very bottom panel, go to You tab. Now here you will land to this kind of interface. Firstly, I'm gonna show you how you can turn on incognito mode. Go to the very top and you will see the option Turn on Incognito Mode. Click on it and this kind of interface will open. This is called the incognito mode on YouTube. To turn it off, go to You tab and click on Turn off Incognito. So this is how you can turn on or off incognito mode on YouTube. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.